Hello everyone. Welcome to TechSpot. My name is Anuj Kumar, a Jira Administrative Trainer. Today will be a Jira Admin Training Session 2. Now in this session, we will cover the following topics. The first topic is a project administration. So in project administration, we will see how to create the project. The project will be which type team manager, company manager, what are the different roles and default member present in the project. That is the default member is the project lead. When different types of permissions, notification and issue security schema, we will see. Now second, we will cover what are different types of issue type present in the project, how we can create a new issue type, how we can assign this new issue type to respective project and do the configuration. And also we will see how to create a new subtask and how we can add this new subtask to respective project and integrate it. Now, and further we will see how to create a new screen. Okay. So there are three types of screen present in our Jira software. That is a create screen, edit screen, and view screen. Okay, and we will configure that screen. Okay, like we have created a new issue type. That is like a new issue can be a like I have created a demo issue. Okay, basically now after creating a demo issue, what I will do, I will create a respective screen to respective issues. Like let me show you, and further we will see how to how to run a parallel screen. So let me show you. This is a basic a project. That is a project name. Okay. So this is a create. This is a create view where you can create a new issue. Okay. Currently we have the issue, the task, story, bug, epic. Okay. Now if you go to a backlog and you will go to backlog, and what you will do, you are creating some story. Enter, enter. So you have created two story. Okay, now click here. So from here inside clicking into this story, you will able to edit the thing. So this is the edit view. Okay, and the third one is the view. So this screen which you are seeing from your naked eye in front of your system, this is a view. Okay, so this thing we will cover. So now moving to our next slide. So now let me tell you more about the project administration. So think of Jira as a digital workspace where the different team manage their work. Or like setting up an office, project administration is about to set up its workspace properly. That thing is a Jira administration. Means you will set the things related to your project, your office. Okay. Now how to create and configure a project. As we know, we can create the project and then select the which types of project we want to add. Team manager, company manager. Team manager is basically used for a small scale. Company manager is basically used for a large scale project. Now, in project we have different types of role. Like project manager have different authorities, developer have different authorities, and also. So basically, project manager have access to many things. Developer may not have the access to all the things. These are the according to their roles. Then what are the default members? So in project default member, we have a when you create a project, there will be a default member project. Like here we can see let me view all project. Okay. And going view all project, you can click here and project setting. Okay. Now let it will open the page fast. It is opening, refreshing. Let it be. Okay, okay. Huh. Now you have seen this. So when you create the project, there will be a default member present. That is a project lead. It is by default present in every project. By default, project lead will be assigned in the project. So here this Anuj Kumar, that is me, myself. Here I am admin. I am the project lead of all the project. Okay. So this I want to tell you in respective slide. Now what you can do, you can give the respective permissions. We have seen how to give the permissions. Who can access which documentation, then a notification, you can enable or disable the notification, then securities, means different types of rule which you implement inside your project. Okay. Means For example, some issue may be only be visible to manager and some will not be seen by your respective developer. That we will see. Then different types of issue type. So currently in today's class, we will basically we have different types of issues. That is default issue. We have seen that is we have the story, task, subtask, bug. Epic. Now in this classes, we will see how to create a new issue type. Okay. So then after creating a new issue type, you have to add the respective new issue to a is schemas. That is a type schema. Here, what is the what is basically a type schema? In type schema, we can create add or create a new issue. Like generally for software development, we have the story, task, bug, and epic. But what about the HR and finance? Their issue type may be a candidate interview, leave, exit, है ना? These are the different types of thing. Okay, so we will see how to create in a custom issue type. Okay, then after creating an issue, adding the issue to a issue type, then you have to associate that issue to respective project. Okay, which project you want to implement. Then we will do the association of the respective issue to respective issue type. Then in same way we can create a new subtask. Okay, and after creating a new subtask, again the same process we will do. We will associate the subtask to issue type and add to a new project and implement it. Now let me show you how to do the things. Okay, first we are currently uh, sorry, we are currently let me currently I am in project 10. Okay, these are the two stories. Okay, now go to a setting, go to projects. So first, we have seen how to create a project. As we know, we can create the project by clicking here, create a project, select the project type, create the framework, Scrum or Kanban. We will select Scrum, use the template, select the type of the project, company manage or team manage. Select the company manage project. Give the name of your project. That is a project 30. The key will be automatically generated, and clicking on the next, the project will be created. This thing we have seen how to create the project. Now another way of creating the project. Okay, another way of creating the project is go to settings, go to a project. Now here you can see create project. Same thing, create project, software development, which types of framework, Scrum framework, use the template, which types of project, team manage, company manage, select the team manage, give the write the name of the project. Okay, and create the project. Same thing. Now here is a template. Click on template. You can choose the template, which template you want to use, or you can choose the more template. More template, click here. You can choose for a HR development, select the blank page. Okay, write the name of the project, and in this way you can create the project. Okay, now this is the basic thing which you have seen in many classes. Okay, so okay. Now we can see here what we can see: the name, project key, types of the project, lead, Anuj, that is automatically I will be lead as a project lead, category of the project, demo. Okay. The last working update 1 hour ago, not issue. Okay. What we will see from here, if I want to create a new category and add the respective project under that category, then how we can do it? So for go to the project category, click here and add a new category. Category means e e-commerce. Okay, add the category. The category has been added, e-commerce, as you can see. Okay, now go to the manage project. I want to add refresh. I want to add the project 10 to a which category I have just created. Click on the edit option, project setting. Go to a project setting. Now let we open the page. You can what you can do from in project setting, change the icon of the project. You can also change the name by clicking this way. You can change the key, You can add the URL to your respective project. You can now we have created one category. Click on the here. I have created e-commerce. I have added e-commerce. So now this project is under e-commerce category. Here are the automatically I am the admin. Okay, I am the lead here, project lead. Default assignee unassigned. Project lead. Project lead is I am by default. If we want to change, save. So in this way, we can do the editing configuration inside the project. That is project. This all things come under project administration. Okay. So now we can see e-commerce project. So our first thing has been completed. That is uh, open the slide. We have seen how to do project administration thing. We have created the project. We have seen the roles, we have given the permission, we have edited the thing, we have created the category, we have done the addition. So this thing, the project administration, we have seen just now. Now the next thing we will jump into is how to create that is how to create a new issue type. Basically, the default issue type is story, task, bug. Okay. Okay. Now, as a like, if our customer stakeholder asks you, I want a new issue type, means I want a demo issue type. I want a eco something means if he asks to create a new issue type, then how you will create a new issue. So for creating a new issue, what we will do? For okay, let me go to a setting. Okay. Uh, before let before going to creating a new issue, let me tell you one more small thing. Okay, click on the setting. Okay, go to a product. Okay, click on the integration application link. Okay. In application link, these are the three links which I have added inside the project. Okay, this is by default. Okay, so you want to add a new link inside your project. Click on the create link. Add any link www Anuj, anything you can write. Copy paste the link. Add the link here. .com. Next, this is the new link. Confirm. Write the what is the basically is link is about what is like you have added the link of the face. So write the name here face. You added the link of the conference anything. So my this is a any kind of application like is a third party application name basically you will write here and all other details you will fill continue. The link will be generated and after the link has been generated it can be seen in the respective home page. Okay, and and you can anyone who have the access can click on the link and open the respective page. Now we coming to the compass. So what happened here? In current project you want a compass component or you want a Jira component, so you can select. Currently it is been using compass component. You can click here, it can use the Jira component. So this way you can select and save the button, the change will be done. Now coming to the third option, that is a DVCS accounts. So what is DVCS? So DVCS account is basically a distributed version control system which many organizations use to manage their code. Basically, every developer do the coding and uploading of the code in the GitHub Git bucket. So from clicking on this button, you can add the respective GitHub and Git bucket from here. Okay. Now, so this is the basic I want to tell you. Now we have seen, uh, we have seen like go to back. Okay. Oh, sorry. Currently, we are in project 10. Okay. Now here is a backlog. Backlog. We are two stories. Okay. Let me go to a project. Let me disable this first. Disable. I have disabled this. Uh, go to project 10. Then refresh, refresh. Oh, now go to a backlog, go to a backlog, backlog. One, refreshing it will take few minutes. So it is not taking. Duplicate this, duplicate. Let it be, let it be. It will take few minutes. This is a problem of the Jira. Now what we will do? As we can see in backlog, we have the two stories, story one, story two. Now I want to create a sprint. Okay, the first sprint it is already there. I want to create one more sprint. Click on here, and another sprint with the name is created. You can edit the thing of the sprint as we have seen in the previous edit sprint. Now what I will do, I will move the story to first sprint, move the second story to the another sprint. Oh, sorry, move the story to another sprint. Oh, oh, move here. So one story in one sprint. Okay. Now you can see here, you can see start the sprint, but you cannot start the second sprint at the same time. So how we will do, how we can start the two sprint at the same time? What we will do, click here. You can see this is the product. How we have come here, go to setting, product, product. So the product page is open. Now what we will do, go to a Jira configuration. The Jira configuration page is open. Let me close this one, duplicate this one. Now again from starting, let go to a setting page, go to the product. Okay, after going to product, under Jira configuration, software project configuration, you can see parallel sprint for a company management. You if you will enable this tab, you can start the two sprints simultaneously. Refresh, go here, refresh. Okay. Now you can see the button has enable. For earlier it was disabled. So you can also start the sprint. Start the sprint. Start the sprint. Again go to backlog. Start the sprint. Started the sprint. Two sprint have been started. Okay. Okay. Now, so we have seen how to start the two sprint. Okay. Now, now what we will do? Huh, what we are talking about? I have seen the parallel sprint. This is the parallel sprint. Okay. Now, one more thing, that is a storage management. If every software there will be some limitation of the storage means data, how much space you can use inside any software. Okay, so in Jira software also there will be a storage problem. Okay, if you want to free up your space, okay, so what you will do, you can remove the attachment, image, file, anything which you have attached inside any issue type, story, task, epic. So here the list of item will be shown where you have added the anything, file, attachment, image. Click here. So you can be see, you can open the respective issue type where you have added some kind of third party file folder. Okay, so you can see from here and you can go and delete. If it is of no use, delete. If it is, you want to remove this, you can remove this respective image and anything. Okay, so in this way you can free up the image inside your respective Jira. Now we will see how to create a new issue. Okay, basically currently we have here, we can see here we have a the default issues type, epic, task, story, bug. Okay, now if I want according to the requirement of the customer stakeholder, I want to add a new issue type. Okay, Like I want to add a issue type like feature. Okay, your workload, anything I want to add according to the requirement on how we will do it. So first let me duplicate. There are two things. Okay, and okay. Now go to a setting. Go to a setting. Work item age, also known as the issue item age. Okay. Now currently you can see it is epic bug demo 1, demo 2, story subtask. So basically this demo 10, demo 11, demo 1, these are the issue type which I have created, okay, previously. Okay. Now you want to create a one new issue type. Click here. The issue type will be a like a feature. Write some description. FEATUR feature. Add the add. Okay. Now you have added the issue type. Uh, for- for- Now let me first refresh the screen. Okay. So I have added the feature. Okay, you can see here. Now what I will do? I will do. After adding the feature, what second step is go to a work type schema. Okay. Go to a work type schema here. Now you can see from here currently the default issue type which are these, there are these many types of default issue type. Okay, and in current project, oh not in this project there is this issues. In project 10 there are these types of issue. I want to do okay. Add it. Okay. Now the, sorry, I have not tell you. Go back. Okay. As we can see, this is the project. These are the respective issues which are inside the project. Okay, and this is the and default project, and these are numbers of the issue type. Okay, so currently we are in project 10, and in project 10 we have this default issue type. I want to add a new issue type which I have currently created. Okay, so currently I have created many types of issues. Okay, I have created feature demo 1, demo 2. These are the issue which I have created. Now in this project 10, I want to add the feature demo 1, demo 2. Click in three dot, edit option. Now you have this in this screen. You can see the issue type for a current schema and available issue type. Now I want to add a feature here. I have drag and drop the feature. Okay, save. I have saved. Okay. Now here you can see previously it was task, subtask, story, bug, epic. Now you can see a one new issue type, that is feature, has been added to respective project 10. So let me go to a first refresh. First refresh. Okay. Create. Then create. Let it be. Okay. Now you can see a new feature has been added. In same way, what you will do, you can create a subtask. You can click on the subtask. You can create a new subtask. Add a new subtask like FEATURE feature subtask. Write any description. FEATURE feature subtask. Add. So uh, feature subtask has been added. Okay, feature subtask has been added. Now go to same process, work type scheme, that is issue type screen. Now you can see here sub feature subtask has been added here. Okay. Now I want to add in this project 10 a feature subtask. Currently you cannot see a feature subtask here. Okay. Click on this button, click on edit. Okay. Now in this screen, you can see currently these are the issue type. Now I want to add feature subtask here. Drag and drop, drag and drop. Save, save. After saving, what you will do? Go to next page, refresh. After refreshing, click on a create button. After clicking on the create button, you can see let it be epic feature. Let refresh again. Refresh. I am in project 10 here. Here, demo 2, feature subtask, feature epic project 10, refresh. Project 10, refreshing. It is taking some time. So, so as we have seen that we have created a subtask. Okay. So this is the feature subtask and this is a feature. This is a new issue type. Okay. After clicking on the create here, we can see the issue type which we have currently created is the feature which we can see here. Okay. Now we have created a subtask. So how we can see the subtask is go to a new tab. This is the your backlog. Click on the story. Okay. Now we have created a subtask. Click on the add. Click on subtask. So this is basically a default subtask. And what subtask we have created is feature subtask. Okay. You can see the feature subtask, and you can write a new CUS custom subtask. Okay. And create. So in this way, we have created our default subtask. Okay. This is the default subtask. So now, as you have seen how to create a new issue type, how to create a new subtask, and how to integrate respective issue type and new subtask inside any project. Okay. In similar way, like in project 5, you want to add a respective new custom things. Click edit here. Okay. Now whatever you have created, you can drag, draw, drag and drop, drag and drop, and save it. Save now. So, huh, this. So, as now in front of screen, you can see the new custom issue type has been added to project 5. Okay. Now, let me. Oh, so we have seen this one. So, so as of now, we have seen how to create a new issue, that is issue type, then subtask we have seen. Now in further classes, we will see how to create a new screen. Okay. So meet you in the next classes.